Hey, what's up everybody? And today I'm going to open up the brand new Canon 51.8 I just got in the mail from Midwest Photo Exchange. I also have the Canon 51.2 here, so hopefully I can do a little quick compare and contrast between the two. I'm not going to do a full review or anything, but get an idea, because that's obviously not what this is replacing, but you know, kind of the only option right now. So without further ado, just going to open this sucker up. This video is not sponsored. I bought this from Midwest Photo Exchange, which not sponsored, just where I like to buy my gear. Sweet. So already this is probably quite a bit smaller than the 51.2 that is the current option for RF users. This comes in at $200, which is pretty great, because that's 1/11 the price of this guy. This is like $2,200 or $2,300. We got our registration cards, little plastic here. That's it. There's like nothing else in there. I don't even see a lens hood. Wow. Okay. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. So it is hugely smaller. I mean, this is not even close. If you can see this on this little side angle here. It is such a huge difference in size. It is about half the length, and maybe like 2/3 the width. I mean, it is tiny. I mean, obviously this is a 43 millimeter thread, front filter thread, which is just absolutely tiny compared to the 77 over here on the 1.2. But you know, let's see how it feels on a camera body here. Ooh. All right, so much stuff. So much packing material. All right. I mean, it feels really great on here. It feels like the first lens I've used that is the right size for the mirrorless cameras here. The R5 is the one I have, obviously, but I used the R and the RP before this. This is pretty dark in here that way. Obviously, there's no lights over there, but it focuses pretty quick. It's a little bit of noise. This is not my 1.2. This is my buddy's who let me borrow it. I think it's faster than the 1.2. I mean, it's definitely faster than the 1.2. The 1.2 has less of that cheap lens, like wah, wah, wah noise, but it definitely focuses slower than the 1.8 does, which is, that's awesome for the 1.8. I haven't, obviously, having just opened it, tested optical quality or anything like that, but hope to play with it quite a bit. And man, what a great little feel to this lens. It feels like the 35, which is the other kind of cheaper RF mount lens that is out right now, which I don't have any much experience with. I never owned that lens, but it feels pretty similar to that. But anyways, what a cool little lens. I am excited to try this on my R5. Excited to try it on the C70. I didn't get to do an unboxing video on this because I unboxed it on the road and then brought it back with me. I had to fly, so I left the cardboard box elsewhere. I'm going to get it later. But anyways, yeah, excited to see how this performs on these cameras. But my first reaction is it's definitely focusing faster than the 1.2. It's just got a little bit more of that like mechanical noise than the RF 51.2 would have. But that's a pretty small problem. Yeah, wow, what a great little lens. So happy this came out. This is an awesome way to see where Canon is moving with the RF mount camera system. I think we're going to see a lot of great lenses coming up, more L lenses, more little lenses like this, which I think a lot of customers will want, myself included. Anyways, this is just a quick little unboxing video. Obviously, there's not much to say about this lens starting out. It feels like I'd expect a brand new lens to feel. Nice build quality for for $200. It feels great. Focus ring, control ring. It can swap between the two. It has a little knob here to swap between focus or control ring functionality. Control ring is an RF lens feature that's kind of newer, which we talk about another time. But anyways, nice to be able to switch that back and forth. But man, what a great size. This is going to go everywhere with me because it's so small. This is the perfect size to travel with and take with you, as opposed to this behemoth, which is beautiful, but a bit much some days when I'm traveling and trying to take something small and light with me. And I don't need that full 1.2 aperture all the time. But man, this will be a great little travel companion. I'm hoping to do some comparisons between the two and see if the higher priced and nicer lens stands above this one. I imagine there will be some aspects that'll be nicer, and obviously this being a 1.2 is highly valuable. And I've owned 1.2 lenses in the EF mount, so was excited to play with this one when I got to borrow it. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you aren't already, go follow me on Instagram at Brett in Real Life. I'll probably be posting some pictures from this, maybe from an NFL game tomorrow. We'll see. Maybe if I get to play with it there. But have a good one, and thanks for watching as always.